The sentence we are fixing today is my sister and me loves cookies more than them. This sentence has three very common mistakes that confuse a lot of English learners. We are going to fix them step by step so you understand exactly why each word changes. Let's focus on the first part, my sister and me. Think about who is doing the action. The people doing the loving are my sister and me. When you are the one doing the action, you are the subject, and you must use the pronoun I, not me. Here is a simple trick. Take the other person out of a sentence. You wouldn't say, me loves cookies. You would always say, I love cookies. Therefore, the correct phrase is my sister and I. Remember, the doer always uses I when there is someone else with them. Next, we look at the verb loves. We need to decide if the verb needs that extra s on the end. The people doing the action are my sister and I, which means two people. Two people is plural, it's more than one. In English, when the subject is plural, we use a simple form of the verb, which is love, without the s. We only add the s if the subject is he, she, or it. Because there are two people, we must take the s off. We change loves to love. Our final mistake is at the end, more than them. This is a comparison. We are comparing my sister and I to people who are the subjects to another group. For a comparison to be fair, you must compare a subject to another subject. The subject form of them is they. It makes the comparison complete, even though the rest of the words are missing. The sentence actually means my sister and I love cookies more than they love cookies. So we change them to they. We started with my sister and me loves cookies more than them. And now, after those three clear steps, our perfect sentence is my sister and I love cookies more than they.